bonjour, mes amis. So I needed to take a day to decide if I really wanted to record this unboxing in light of my previous post, the mirror on the wall, who's the wokest of them all. And I decided to do so. And I also decided to lie to Mezzanines. It's the same day. I just switched my jewelry and my bandeau so you all could think it was a different day and it could appear as though I had the content coming back to back. I also ruined my evil plan considering that I told you all about it, but moving along. So I don't do unboxings. I am new to this. Please bear with me. But I think it goes a little something like this. Unbox. Are you? Oh, you can see it. This failure. Look at it. And now I must pose. I needed to do that because whenever I do lives or I do videos and there's like a still image of me, I always look like just deranged. I am so happy. I am so happy with this piece. So earlier this week or last week, who knows what day it is, I did a little peekaboo of the Neverfull Crafty that I purchased. I was uncertain if that was for me, and I shared that in my stories. I was uncertain mainly because really two things. Neverfulls, I typically use my Neverfulls for travel and working. I'm not doing either right now. So did I really need the Crafty and a Neverfull? Also, I had to be realistic, and this is when really knowing yourself and being honest with your style comes into play. Would I really carry this print in a Neverfull? This in and of itself is extremely progressive for me. In that post where I did the peekaboo, I also disclosed how I typically do not buy dated pieces. By dated, I do not mean old because this is brand new. By dated, I'm referring to items that can be dated. I gave the example of the Steven Sprouse collection for Louis Vuitton. We all know where we were when the graffiti launched, when, just different things. We know where we were in time. This is a piece that we will remember 2020 when this line debuted. And I had to ask myself, was I comfortable, or would I actually wear such a large dated piece in conjunction to just not really being a Neverfull gal, even though I have every Neverfull. But I am so happy with this. There was no question about it. Sold out everywhere, as with the Neverfull, and that was something else. I really didn't have time to think about it because it is sold out. So when I saw that it was available, I acted instantly. And the entire time, the shipping process, there wasn't a, oh my God, I'm so excited, I can't wait. I more so thought, do I really want this? You shouldn't feel like that about anything that you purchase, but especially expensive luxury items. Love it, period. But when I purchased this, there was absolutely no doubt. This is sold out. Louis Vuitton's everywhere. I called my essay in Paris and Milan and Madrid. Sold out. When Lux on the Bus told me that she did not, or she was considering selling it, I did not pressure her. I told her, mon ami, take some time, mull over it, just make sure you really want to do this. While I was secretly hoping she would sell it. And that she did. She is so happy with her new purchase, and I am so happy with this. I flirted with the idea of buying a Speedy. Again, I had to be realistic with myself. The size Speedy that the Crafty comes in is way too small for me. I carry my entire life with me when I leave the house. There are times when my family wonders if I am coming home because my bags are so big when I leave. That's how I roll. And the 25 would not suffice. So again, know your style and be honest with yourself. I am so happy with this. So happy. I mean, lovely. So I have the 26 and the monogram. All of my pieces are monogram. I have a few other, that's something else. Mezzanines have asked for me to do like a full, like my purse collection or Louis Vuitton collection. I don't know. Please let me know because scattered. But I have the, what do I have? I can't think right now. Pregnancy brain is real. I have the, I'll call it the protection pouch, the organizer. That's what it's called. I have the organizer for the 26 and it's in my monogram. So I'm just going to swap those out because I don't foresee me needing both toiletry pouches at the same time. So I'm not going to buy another organizer. I am so happy with this purchase. I hope that you all enjoyed my very, very underwhelming unboxing because there was absolutely no suspense. I didn't realize you could see the bottom when I took this out, but I'm happy. Let me know what you all think about the Crafty collection, about dated pieces. Just let me know. You all know how we do. Keep the conversation going, and ciao for now.